Hate these surprise. What the hell? Why they got a goddamn GE on the point? Hold on.
Sorry, just wanted to tell you bye because we're calling it a day.
Have a good day.
See you later.
Yep. I wouldn't even think of traveling in this weather today, Melvin. It's just too cold.
The piggyback might be coming?
I don't know.
I don't know. We'll see you later.
Catch you later. Stay safe. Here we are, train 206 with the 9397. We're at North Adams at CPF 423. This is unusual to have an eastbound sitting on the main line, tying up the single track. Kind of weird. Okay, here we are again. New tape. And train 206 still sitting here on the main line, blocking the single track. Which is unusual, because if they did that on CSX, they'd crucify the crew literally right to the cross if they stopped to get lunch and tie up the main line. But we don't know what the circumstances are. But standby, things could get interesting.
9397 at milepost 423. Line 13, other instructions and information. Way leave, milepost 423. 14.
Ah, crap. Here's Eric. Great. Tumble nuts, you're in the way. It's better.
Form D, number G311, date 1/5/2014, to CDX NS 9397, milepost 423. Circle line 13, instructions, information. May leave, milepost 423. Train dispatcher McClure, Form D, number G311, has one line 13, over.
311 with one line 13. Now effective on 4G14.
I saw you coming.
1454, over.
Made it, huh?
I've been up here most of the day.
Form D number G311 has one line 13, time effective.
I hope not.
1454, that's 1454, over.
1417.
I don't know whose idea it was to park 206 right on the freaking main line, for crying out loud.
Huh?
I don't know whose idea it was to park that train right here.
Probably crew change.
Well, that train's been sitting here since morning.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Oh, boy, I got some real funny characters in my pictures. Supposed to be 2 more eastbounds. You want to see something hilarious? Take a look at the that detector out of Protection
Oh,
Avenue. I went over and told the crew, and it's like the engineer didn't give a crap.
That looks weird. See the front end engine?
Yeah, it's a rebuilt SD60E. It was originally an SD50. They took the standard cab off and put that, I don't know what the hell you want to call that cab, but it's one of those goofy looking ones.
Yeah. You can't work there.
Look at it this way. I think that extended part is stuck out for a reason. Keep the crew from being blinded.
Yeah, 46. Cell phone number for you from Cooper from CPAC.
Yeah, one of them engines painted up for the veterans of the foreign wars.
Smaller.
Is this Gary Fisher or Gary Schimmelhorn? Whoops. Hey, well, I got you on the phone. I don't know if you're planning to do anything towards the DNH, but 23K has one of the SD60Es, the 6918 on the point. Oh, yep, bye.
Message received.
Somebody got beat up on North Home Street. Somebody got beat up on North Home Street. Got cops and everybody up there. Everything.
Lovely.
Lovely town. You want to be in my damn neighborhood.
Yeah.
We're back in.
1G11 off post to Schenectady as
You're fine, Billy. You're fine. See the hose?
1G14. Clear for last, second, service, 3.
Hope he takes it serious, because if that hose hits that dragger plate thing, man, they're going to be stopping pretty quick.
Well, it doesn't go up for westbound. It goes up for eastbound.
Well, you never know, being first.
And 21 Birch Hill Road. Meet the caretaker, George Allen, on the scene, residential break-in. Twenty-one.
What or what the heck?
For a while after this thing's on mine.
Yep.
Somebody on the other side of the tunnel wait for
Service out party is wheelchair bound. Also advise.
I'm going to stick around and wait for the other guys to come.
You know what they are, do you?
Don't know.
Probably eastbound Terramona. MOED is one of them.
Must be stopping and pick the conductor up. I just hope he took what I said serious about that damn hose. Because there's some draggers that will probably pick that up.
Takes it this right. That's unusual. See all EMDs on this in the
Yeah, I know. It's pretty damn good, I would think.
This asshole pulled out in front of him. The red car pulled out in front of him.
Yeah, it's typical.
Peter getting a call. They got to go. No, take trash out, get rid of Made a nice meatloaf for New Year's Day.
Nice.
It lasts me about 4 days so far. Graham cracker in it, onions.
Yep.
The bigger package meat cheaper than you can a smaller package.
Oh, yeah.
It's a fun thing. Once a big package, you get more meat.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I fully agree.
That's last me all week. Maybe one sauce on it. We gotta get some of that.
In California with New York, George Michael Nora, 5281. George Michael Nora, 5281.
Players my thing.
Mm-hmm. I think that guy's a train crew that just showed up.
15-7.
Oh, it could be because probably gotta pick up the local.
Yeah.
Could be them. Yeah, I don't mind watching trains. It's cool. Can't get out of Chicago again this year though.
Yeah, I hear you.
Get the Amtrak out. It ain't so cold outside.
Mm-hmm.
You're not taping them now?
Oh, I'm filming. I'm
You're
filming.
filming? Okay. Get me on YouTube.
No, you're lucky. Billy, be lucky enough.
5-2.
Cleared by.
15-18.
I don't think they make PCRs anymore, do they?
No, well, I don't know if they still do, but I know that.
You know, I want to get that one. If I clean that one up, take the back apart, just clean it one.
Yeah, I hear you.
I bought so many freaking train tapes. VHS tapes.
Yeah.
People take forever to record everything. See those 8mm camcorders?
Yeah.
The one that screwed up on me, I'm not throwing away. I said, shit, what am I going to send that away and get it fixed?
You better have a bunch of money on you.
Yeah, I know. Not the digital ones now. Digital ones are pretty good.
Yeah.
Put the card in. It takes a quarter time out of time to redo it. That truck running good.
It's running good. Don't mind me. I'm just checking out the stack, the stack wells here.
Four-wheel drive.
Nope, the four-wheel drive don't even work in this anymore.
Did I put some weight in the back?
I have no problem getting around. I just take my time.
Yeah, there you go. Best way.
Boy, look at this loony.
Too much empty going back.
No. The 8 inches of snow I walked through, boy, that was uncomfortable.
Yeah. Let's pay off.
Oh, look at that. Perfect timing. Last car.